If you build fast cars in Europe today, you might be officially panicking. For over 50 years, the recipe for a super fast track car was simple but stubborn. If you want a car to hug tight corners without flying off the road, you bolt a massive, heavy wing to the back. You trade top speed for grip. It is raw, effective, but physically dragging. However, what Xiaomi just unleashed with their SU7 Ultra and the stunning Vision GT concept at the 2026 Beijing Auto Show doesn't just challenge this old rule, it completely rewrites it. We are not just talking about big digital screens or fast acceleration. We are looking at a company that took ideas from fighter jets and deep-sea submarines to bend the rules of how cars move. To really understand this, picture how air hits a normal, fast car. The air slams into the front, gets sliced, and is forced up to hit that big rear wing to push the tires down into the dirt. It works, but it leaves a messy trail of dirty air behind it, which engineers call drag. It is a necessary evil, but Xiaomi looked at stealth bombers for inspiration. In an airplane, the whole body is shaped to lift the plane up without needing huge drag-causing parts. Xiaomi took this idea and flipped it upside down for the road. They created tunnels and channels that let the fast-moving air flow directly through and under the car, not just over it. This creates a powerful vacuum underneath. Following basic fluid rules, this vacuum literally sucks the car down to the pavement, giving it insane grip without needing a giant piece of carbon fiber acting as a parachute on the back. This gives the SU7 a world-class drag coefficient of just 0.195, meaning it cuts through the air like a knife while sticking to the road like glue. Even the wheels help by acting like spinning fans to suck cool air into the brakes. As we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. Being slippery in the wind means nothing if the car's skeleton cannot handle the extreme forces of taking a corner at high speeds, or worse, a crash. This is where Xiaomi went completely overboard with their metalwork. Instead of standard car frames, they built a cage using ultra-high-strength steel that can take 2,200 megapascals MPa of pressure. To give you a clear picture, that is a level of strength that beats the steel used to build deep-sea nuclear submarines. If energy hits the front of the car, it doesn't just crush inward. The frame shatters the energy and shoots it safely upward and downward, away from the people inside. It is built to eat impacts that would destroy normal vehicles. Perhaps the biggest worry for any electric car is what happens if a rock shoots up and breaks the battery pack. Normally, this causes a chemical fire that is almost impossible to put out. Most car makers just slap thick metal plates underneath, making the car heavy and slow. Xiaomi took a different route. They wrapped the battery in a 1,500 MPa honeycomb bumper designed to crush and absorb side impacts. Then underneath, they ditched the usual cheap plastic cover and used a special ballistic-grade resin coating. It is basically bulletproof armor for the bottom of the car. In tests with high-speed spikes, the battery didn't fail or catch fire. It is a complete vault. All of this space-age technology brings us to the ultimate testing ground, the famous Nürburgring track in Germany. While some wild rumors online might claim the car ran an impossible lap of 1 minute and 37 seconds, the actual facts are just as scary for European brands. The SU7 Ultra prototype officially destroyed records with an astonishing lap time of 6 minutes and 22 seconds, while the street-legal production model clocked in at 7 minutes and 4 seconds, easily beating established giants like the Porsche Taycan. European car makers used to think that phone companies could never understand the dark art of making a true racing machine. But a 1,000 horsepower electric car that glides like a stealth jet and is armored like a tank proves that the era of old mechanical wings is over.